Hey there fellas, how you doing? I'm fine. I hope you are all fine. So, as in the previous video, I had told you that I'll bring a new type of quiz in the next video. So, as I told, I brought you a new video. So, today we are going to do a general knowledge questions about animals. 15 general knowledge questions. So, can you score 15 on 15? Let's see. Here are the score points. 1 to 4, you need to focus on the animals. 5 to 9, well done and keep that up, amazing. 10 to 14, you're amazing and awesome. And if you scored dire 15, then you are our quiz champ. So without any further delay, let's proceed. Question number 1. Which animals give pink milk? Options: buffalo, snail, hippopotamus, cat. What do you think will be the answer? It's hippopotamus. The animal gives pink milk is hippopotamus. How many teeth does an elephant has? Options: 4, 26, 32 and 8. Time's up. What do you think will be the answer? The answer to question number 2 is 26. There are 26 teeth in an elephant. Which animal can stop its breath for 6 days? Options: scorpion, spider, rat, cheetah. Time's up. The answer to question number 3 is option 1, scorpion. Which animal's blood color is green? Options: cow, aardvark, lizard, jackal. And the timer down. Time's up. Answer is lizard. Lizard blood color is green. Question number 5. Which animal can't look up into the sky? Options: cow, horse, pig, goat. Oh, how sad that animal can't look up into the sky. And time's up. The answer is pig. Oh my, it's so sad that this beautiful pig can't look up to the blue sky. Okay, let's proceed. Which animal can live more than 200 years? Options: leopard, ostrich, lion, tortoise. Leopard, ostrich, lion, tortoise. The answer is, time's up, and the answer is tortoise. Which animal dies after drinking water? What? Huh? The answer to question number 7 is the kangaroo cat. Then how it is this surviving? I wonder how it is surviving. Question number 8. Which animal can't walk backwards? Options: beetle, wasp, kangaroo, giraffe. Time's up. The question number 8's answer is kangaroo. Kangaroo can't walk back. Question number 9. How many kilometers away can we hear a lion's roar? Options: 8, 6, 15, 9. These all are kilometers. In which kilometers can we hear a lion's roar? The answer is 8 kilometers. So, how are you doing? Tell me your score in the comments. Question number 10. Which animal sees with the ears? Options: elephant, ant, cow, bat. And the timer gone. Answer is bat. Bat sees with their ears. Question 11. Which animal never wakes up again once it sleeps? Options: hippopotamus, deer, and octopus. What do you think will be the answer? Time's up. The answer to question number 11 is ant. Ant never wakes up again once it sleeps. Oh, how tiring the life of ant would be. Imagine just. Question number 12. Which land animal has the largest eyes? Options are ostrich, wolf, mare, rabbit. Ostrich, wolf, mare and a rabbit. What do you think will be the answer? Time's up. It's an ostrich. What is the tiniest animal with the backbone? Options are hyena, ant, frog, crocodile. Time's up. The answer is a frog. What animal's skin color turns pink when they eat shrimp? This one's pretty obvious. Time's up. It's flamingo. Question number 15. Which animal smells with its tongue? The options are porcupine, snake, ostrich, dog. Time's up. The answer is a snake. Snake smells with its tongue. So how did you do? Did you score 15 on 15? Tell your score in the comments and stay tuned for more videos and quizzes. Bye bye.